had the Hummer EV for the day, so instead of doing another regular walkthrough, I wanted to show you what it actually feels like to drive this thing around the city. The first thing you notice is just how massive this thing feels. From inside, you're sitting so high up, you have this crazy view of everything around you. Literally feels like you're unstoppable in this thing. And even though it looks like a tank, this thing moves completely different from what you would expect. It's not uncomfortable, it's not all bumpy, it's quiet, it's insanely quick, and you're driving something that's fully electric. But honestly, I think what makes the Hummer EV so cool, it's not really trying to blend in. You pull up somewhere in this thing and everybody notices it, especially when you take these top panels off and you drive it around kind of like a convertible style. Super sick on those nice beach days. This is just something that you really make an appearance. So if you ever wondered what it's actually like to drive one around Miami, this is probably the closest I can get you without putting you in the driver's seat. Would you drive one? If you liked the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you visit us at BrickellBuickGMC.com, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.